So before continuing in our installation process, house installation process, I recognize that this air compressor is completely kaput, and we need to repair it. Just to see what is the problem, what is going on. Here are the manometers, like for measuring the pressure in bar and psi's. And wait a moment. And when I switch on the compressor, you could see that there is no increasing the pressure in spite of the motor is running and the piston is also running. Basically, here is one-way valve which is avoiding to propagate the air back from the bank, from the air bank back to the motor. But this is just like static valve. When you switch off the compressor and you are using the accumulated pressure inside the pressure tank. But there is also like working valve, should be somewhere inside here, what I'm going to concentrate in. And this valve is basically it's just a teeny tin which is flapping up and down. It's going up when there is blowing up from the piston, and when piston wants to suck the air, this teeny plate is enclosing, and I think that this teeny plate would be wrapped it because so. And we could also listen that the engine is having no, let's say, no load, because it's like going very smoothly without any resistance. So let's go to open some screws. Yeah, but I hope that I have some tool for this. No, basically not. Just these tools are missing me. Okay, I need to go back to my pit to find it. We have to reconstruct also this intake filter, yeah, because it's very distracted. Yeah, and here we have a capacitor, yeah, and this must be a synchronous motor. Yeah. Yeah, just for information, I'm using old socks with holes. It's a very good cleaning, very efficient cleaning material. Yeah, it's maybe a little bit perverse, but this is really recyclation, that I cannot wear them, but I can still them to use them for cleaning. Such a very nice, very precise cleaning. Okay. Okay. And now we need such imbusses like this, but we use manual power, at least from very first time. No, it's okay. I forgotten this one before I release the last one. I would like to release this Durchmutter. Maybe it's called in German Durchmutter, because we call it like in narrow translation like durch, because it's going durch. We call it like priebežná matica, because it's going through this pipe to the thread opposite. But it doesn't matter, it's not so important. Yeah, what I need is this one. Yeah, I need something here. I got it here, but I don't know where I put it now. It's interesting. No, it's not interesting because it's still here. Yeah, but I don't need this one. So I'm a little bit tired, maybe. Yeah, now we can choose high-speed revolutions. Now we have to be very careful because we don't know how many components. This is not good environment, because when there is some many components inside, and it's this is the yeah, but it's very simple solution. Yeah, here is sealing is okay. I'm using this polystyrene tub because it's quite clean in spite of the other things. And here is what I was talking about, maybe, but it's very strange. No. Aha, look at this. Here is the problem. Yeah, I like when I hope that it's seen. Here is a small part of probably sealing, probably this sealing, but there is no such big part of sealing. Yeah, because this is really great part, and I have nothing to show you here. You see here. I hope that it's visible. It's visible. I hope so, because otherwise I can delete all the video. And this is the problem, yeah. Now You see, now it's working. So what I need to do, I need to put it out. I have no tweezers here because this I really wasn't calculated that it's so simple. But I use this one maybe. Yeah, you see that sometimes just tricky thing. Is it visible? Where is the okay? Sometimes such tricky thing can cause very big problem. But of course, when we opened, I'm very happy that this was such einfach surgery, such simple surgery, because I don't need to waste so much time because my insulation is waiting for me. Today I would like to make some progress. And this, I don't know what is this one, but there is also such kind of returnable material. Okay. Now there is question if the shape is not deformated by this hard element inside. Nazdar. We will see. Okay. Okay. Because it's intake. Yeah, now I understand. You see, it's from here. Now it's clear. It's intake and it's going, yeah. This is intake and this is outtake. But problem was in that intake part. Okay. I need to find different kind of this intake filter. But we can test it without filter at the moment. See that it has quite a bigger resistance. So it's done. I just need to fix this intake filter. Okay, but it's for another video. Okay. Okay. Last thing is here. Okay, we can switch it on. So what I was looking for is this kind of reductions. It's like female male reduction. No. Okay, maybe this is atypical kind of thread. No, maybe not atypical. It looks to be atypical. Because this one is too small and this one is too big. Okay. Because my idea is to put this professional filter, but I have only this size, and my second idea is to implement an elbow here, to be like here to be covered, because this is not a good position. Now I'm looking, but it's not filter. This is just a kind of attenuation from Festo, because here is hole, door hole. So, but anyway, we can put a sock on it and it's okay. But elbow is good idea. So, but I need to solve this one firstly, because it's okay.